How's it, guys? Skeleto here. Today I'm showing you a very easy 5-ingredient roasted pineapple and coconut ice cream. And as a bonus, it's actually vegan, so let's get to it. Coconut cream. And get that low-fat stuff. Get the real yummy coconut cream, maple syrup, vanilla paste, lemons, and then our star, queen pineapple. Top and tail, and then you just cut the sides. You obviously want a very ripe pineapple, just extra sweet, extra yummy. And then I'm gonna just cut it into like big chunks. And then these guys go into the baking tray. In here, I'm gonna add half a cup of maple syrup. And then because I'm gonna use my lemon in the recipe as well, I wanna use the skims. And that goes in. Yum, yum, yum. About a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Vanilla extract also works quite well. Quick tossy toss. And then it goes into the oven, very hot oven. I actually put mine under the grill, and then we'll be back after the ad break. Okay, so my pineapple's roasting in the oven, and what I want to do is just quickly mix my coconut cream with the lemon juice, and then I'm just gonna give these guys a whisk. So I think our pineapple is ready. It smells a little bit yummy and toasted. Can you smell it? Smell-o-vision. I think about like 20 minutes in the freezer should be cool enough to blend. Okay, pineapple is nice and chilled. What I'm gonna do is blend it and mix it through with my coconut. Now it goes into this baking tray. Don't line it on anything, doesn't need anything. And then because you don't want like freezer burn in your ice cream, I just take a piece of baking paper and just put it directly on top. And then this goes into the freezer. Leave it overnight. Couple of hours, and then we're gonna have a party. It's a party time. Wiggle. So ice cream is set, and I feel that it's very appropriate to serve them in these martini/champagne coupes and glasses. And one scoop is definitely not enough. So, okay, let's make this cute. Got a bit of lemon rind. And an umbrella. It's like a cocktail. Cheers. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Yummy, tart, pineapple. Cheers. Happy ice cream making. My umbrella broke.